In this video, we'll be showing you how to add a membership or subscription product group to your website. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, head to Admin and then Product Groups. Select Add Product Group from the Manage menu. Complete a name in the name field and select Type Membership or Subscription from the Type drop-down list. You can then add a description in the free text description field. Organisers can then be added and there can be up to 8. Enter any text in the free text order confirmation email text field and check the checkboxes if you would like the event organisers to be copied in on either order confirmation emails or volunteer confirmation emails. Then complete the product group date, the sales start and end dates and times, and the purge data date. Please note that if no date is set for the purge data date, then this will default to 1 year from now. You can set the fee types to either voluntary, so the customer can opt in to pay fees at checkout, compulsory, so they must be paid by the customer at checkout, or to none, as the fees have been included in the subscription and membership price already. Further information can be found in the Help and Hints box. You can then choose if you would like to add a product group capacity, set a product group password, or add an image. Once you have entered all the information for your product group, click on the Add Product Group button. You can now add products, including payment schemes, to your product group. There's a further tutorial for this in the link below. And that's it, you have now successfully added a membership or subscription product group to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.